break down these two decisions for us, because they're not incredibly straightforward.
No, they are certainly two wins, but they get a little bit murky. So the first one was on DOMA, the Defense of Marriage Act. So this is a big federal decision. Essentially, you had a widow, Edith Windsor, in New York, who was married, same-sex partner, and ended up having to pay estate taxes. So the court decided today that because if she was married under federal law, she wouldn't have had to pay those taxes. They said that's discrimination. So moving forward, big picture, this means that people who are married in states that recognize same-sex marriage will get federal benefits. So this completely guts DOMA. The second decision was surrounding Proposition 8. So the law in California here, the ballot initiative banning same-sex marriage, the court didn't make a decision. So what that means is that the lower court decision ruling stands. Governor Jerry Brown has said same-sex marriages will go forward. County clerks should be ready to perform weddings in courthouses around California. So again, two wins for California. That second one a little bit murkier.
Exactly, because the Supreme Court didn't really decide. It just sent it back to the lower court.
And the reason was because it wasn't the state of California making the argument. It was proponents of Proposition 8 that were making the argument. So they said there's no standing here. We're going to let the lower court decision stand.
Okay. Now, the tech community has actually gotten pretty involved in this. Tell us what the involvement has been.
So you had a number of companies, healthcare, financial services, and tech, filing amicus briefs in this case, signing on in the Proposition 8 case, saying that they were against Proposition 8, so they were in support of same-sex marriages. Out of those companies, there were 39 tech firms, Emily. So that's 20% of the total number of companies that we saw filing briefs in this case. And this isn't a new thing. We've been seeing this for a long time in the tech community. Politico had a big spread today. Apple, Microsoft, IBM, some of the earliest adopters of LGBT benefits. Microsoft was actually the first back in 1993. And then you've also got a lot of leaders in the tech community who have been very outspoken about this. Google, Sergey Brin, Larry Page publicly opposing Proposition 8. Leaders at Yahoo, eBay, Cisco, Microsoft, Amazon, Bill Gates and Jeff Bezos, very outspoken on this issue. Some of it has just been public support. Some of it has been thousands of dollars, sometimes millions of dollars, going in support of this issue.
And Google actually has a fun little search thing going on today in, I guess, celebration.
Yeah, and they moved really quickly in rolling this out. So in the Google search line, if you type in gay or gay marriage, you're going to see a little search surprise that they've put in there. It's a rainbow, kind of a rainbow display that you'll see there.